Here I've got SONY Xperia 10.3, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on this device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation bar. If you'd like to switch it to gestures, just open the settings, then in the search area, enter navigation is the quickest way. And then go to system navigation. Select system navigation again, and here you can smoothly switch from free button navigation to gesture navigation just by tapping. If you'll tap on settings, you'll be able to change the back sensitivity. It's up to you, but from now on, you can smoothly go back just like this by sliding from right to left or from left to right. To go back to your home screen, smoothly slide up once, and to see all running apps, slide up and hold it for a while. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.